So I bought this inexpensive charger for my MacBook, and this is a video on why you shouldn't buy something like this. This thing is incredibly noisy at 27 kilohertz, and I've got my oscilloscope here connected to a probe that's grounded, and you can see the background noise is pretty low. I'll turn on measurements here actually. We'll measure the peak to peak and the RMS. So we're at 5 millivolts peak to peak and 500 microvolts AC RMS. Watch what happens when I plug this thing in. I'm going to plug it in. It's not even powering anything. I'm just plugging it into my outlet. Look at the noise. It's unbelievable. So now we're getting 30 millivolts peak to peak and 600, 700 AC RMS. Now if I was to disconnect this, it'd be even worse, of course. But yeah, I was doing some testing to on a DC power supply to see what the noise levels would be, and I was getting this incredible noise all the time until I unplugged this power supply, which I just unplugged again. So avoid this thing like the plague. It is horrible as far as noise level. All right. Thanks for watching.